ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকের বিষয় পোস্টার প্রেজেন্টেশন। আজকে আমরা দেখব কিভাবে সুন্দর একটি পোস্টার প্রেজেন্ট করতে হয়। তো মাধ্যমিক বাচ্চাদের জন্য পোস্টার প্রেজেন্টেশন গুরুত্বপূর্ণ একটি অংশ। আর পোস্টার প্রেজেন্টেশন করতে হলে জানতে হবে পোস্টারের অনুপাত কত, একটি স্ট্যান্ডার্ড পোস্টারের অনুপাত কত হয়। তো একটি স্ট্যান্ডার্ড পোস্টারের অনুপাত হলো 4:3। তো আমরা কথা না বাড়িয়ে আমাদের মূল টপিকে ফিরে যাই। তো আমরা কিভাবে পোস্টারটা প্রেজেন্ট করতে পারি, কিভাবে শুরু করতে পারি, আমরা এভাবে শুরু করতে পারি। দিস ইজ আব্দুল হামিদ। I'm a student of grade 7. I'm here to present my poster. First of all, I would like to thank my teacher for giving me a chance to present my poster. So this is my poster. It's about Dream School, and we can see a picture of a Dream School. First of all, in the central point of the poster, we can see a school. It is situated in a natural environment. It is its surrounding is very good and healthy, neat and clean, and so on. This is noise-free place, and this is a fine building, a beautiful building, well decorated building, and we have enjoyed a lot of opportunities here. We have school bus for good communication. We can come to school using by bus easily, and it is so comfortable for us, and we can reach our the home so easily, and we can come to our school so easily, and so this is good combination of communication in our school. So next we have a science lab. We have a good science lab where we can practice on science topics, and so on, and it is so helpful for us to learn about the science, about technology, and so on. And next one, this is a library, and we have a rich library, and it has a lot of books, and it has a lot of papers, and we can read any kinds of books going there, and we can read newspapers, and the seating arrangements and the environment of the library is so beautiful and the oil decorated. So I'm happy with my library. And the next one, we have a nice garden. We have a nice school garden, and it is so beautiful, and it has a lot of beautiful trees, and flower trees and fruits trees, and so on. So in the tiffin period and leisure period, we can enjoy the blooming flowers or beautiful sceneries of the garden. We are so happy with our school garden. Next one, we have a digital board or a smart board in our classroom. We enjoy this, and we enjoy this opportunity in our classroom, and our classroom is never bored. So we are happy to have a smart board in our classroom. There are so many boards or smart boards in our school. That means every class has a smart board in our school, and we are so happy to have this kind of smart board. Next one, we have a big playground. Our our playground is so beautiful, and it is spacious, and it is so beautiful and well decorative, and it has the grass on it, and it has it has it has it has a lot of the trees around the sides, and we are we can play in the afternoon, and we can play in our the game period. And then the next one, clean toilet. In our school, we enjoy the opportunity of clean toilet. So we are so happy to have this kind of opportunity. That means something, clean toilet and washroom. We can we feel very comfortable using our washroom or toilets, and so many opportunities that are available in our school. So we enjoy, and we feel never bored in our school, and these opportunities are so helpful for us to acquire knowledge in our school. And the teacher the teacher are so helpful, so friendly with us. They help us to acquire knowledge, to eradicate our lacks where we feel any kinds of problems. So the teachers are very friendly to us. The students are also very friendly. They are well mannered. They are very good, and their behavior is so gentle. And we are also happy with our friends and with our classmates. We are so happy with this kind of environment. So we feel very we feel very comfortable here to find my school, a unique school in this place. And I'm so happy to have this kind of school in my life. So I'm proud of my dream school. That's all about my dream school. Thank you so much for watching.